So we're not in a hammock. I don't have my mic hooked up. This is gonna be a very quick video. I wanna just show you something that I just got in the mail. I did open it up and charge it up, but I wanna turn the camera around and show you guys a little more about it. But first, what I got is the Letsfit smartwatch. This is the ID205L, and I've opened it up and charged it just so we can kind of go through it together. I haven't even taken the little film off of the screen, but I want to turn the camera around, kind of break it down, and let's learn it together. I'm going to do a follow-up review of this watch once I've used it, kind of break in the app and all of that kind of stuff in a future video. So be watching for that and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's turn the camera around and let's get into this watch. All right, so this is the packaging. Comes in this white box. You can see over here, it is the ID205L, and I got the one in black. So I've already cut the little tabs here. And this is how it comes. So we have it in the packaging here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it out. All right, and then underneath is where we have our, get it, we have our charging cable, our instruction manual, and some other information. Now the charging cable, we'll go ahead and talk about it. It comes USB, and it has this little magnetic piece. Now it will only magnetic on here one way, and it's not that way. So it's that way. So it magnetics on there just like that, and that's how it charges. Now according to Amazon, this has a very long battery life. That's gonna be for us to find out. So you can see here the screen, it says function button, press to return. That is the only button that it has. We'll pull this off. And let's see how we turn this thing on. So we've got to set up the time. Looks like the date is incorrect. The time is incorrect. So we'll have to set all that up. And so over here we have, you swipe. We've got some features there. Well, I just turned something off. And it hadn't been on my wrist, so it's not going to give me any of this, but this is your heart rate, sleep. I'll give you some sleep information. This has, according to the Amazon, this has a very long battery life. So you can wear it on your wrist and it will track your sleep. And then it's got sports, heart rate, relax, alarms, music control. You can control your music from your phone, timer, settings. So you can change the dial pad to various things. Let's go with that one. So that's our date, and I mean, that's our time, which we've got to adjust that. It comes incorrect. And so yeah, this is out of the box, unboxing the Letsfit 205L. And there will be a follow-up review of this once I've gotten it on my wrist and worn it for a little while. Something I did read said you could interchange these bands. I don't know, I don't have any other bands to test it, but you pull that little plunger and your wristband comes off. They do have one on Amazon that has, it's a double. Instead of one prong, it has two prongs. I don't know what the difference is, but I will try to do some research before we do our full review. And yeah, so we're gonna check this thing out. The screen doesn't look quite as big as, say, the Apple Watch, but if it'll serve its purpose, then we're good. There is a way to connect this to your phone via Bluetooth, and it will send all of the data of your heart rate information, your steps, everything. It will transfer that to your phone. So we'll look into that in the follow-up review video. So it's a clean looking, really nice looking watch. And yeah, so we will check it out in a further review. All right guys, well that is our unboxing. We're gonna check this watch out. I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna wear it. and see how long I can get the battery life, how long everything lasts, and how it does while it's connected to my phone. There's been some good and bad reviews of this watch, so I want to check it out, give you guys some good information about it, and report back with a follow-up review. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, make sure to click that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. And until next time we'll be in a hammock. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.